Hey, let me quickly explain how we can charge XIAOMI Buds 5. So first of all, if you want to recharge your earbuds, first of all you have to place them inside this charging case. They got actually this magnetic attachment, so it will be quite simple. And now you will have to close this case, and when this indicator turns green, it means that you have also a lot of battery inside your charging case and they start charging. But if the charging case is out of the battery, then you will have to connect right here the USB-C cable that is also connected with the power supply. And when it starts charging, you can find here this orange indicator. When it will be fully charged, the indicator will go green and then disappear. And you can connect this USB-C cable to your PC, to your charger, so you don't have to actually get the charging brick. You can do this with your laptop, with your TV, with your monitor, basically with any device where you can input the USB cable and get the power supply. So yeah, that's basically how we can do this. And if you wonder about the charging brick, then for sure you can do this, like for example from your smartphone, from your other earbuds. And you can also use cables from other earbuds. So as you can see, this is like really old, dirty cable from my Xiaomi phone, and it's still working and charging my earbuds. Thanks for watching.